Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're discussing how to get the smoothest cheesecake ever. So I don't like lumps in my cheesecake. I'm sure you don't like lumps in your cheesecake. And the first cheesecake I made as a little girl had lumps in it. And I will tell you why. But first, I'd like you to click that notification button, because I'd like you to be a subscriber and see all my videos and tips because they are fabulous. And I know you are cheesecake lovers out there. I know I am. They come in all different flavors, all different shapes, but they need to be smooth or they're not worth eating. Okay, this is a simple video, but it will give you a lot of information. So listen up. So most cheesecakes have some form of cheese in them, cream cheese, any mascarpone, it depends, ricotta, but we really want them smooth. So the first thing you do is you take your cream cheese out of the refrigerator and you leave it to get to room temperature. Very, very important. So I have a spoon to show you. This has been out for a while. You see, I can sort of push into it real easily. And some fridges can make them really, really hard. Not as hard as butter. It'll never be as hard as butter, but don't think you can just throw cream cheese from the refrigerator into your electric mixer and end up with a super smooth cheesecake. Now, this paddle, which is what you will be using when you make cheesecake, does create some friction. It creates some heat, and it will help the cream cheese to get to a smoother consistency. Sugar is also another ingredient in cheesecake, granulated sugar usually. So this granulated sugar is going to be pounding against the cream cheese, not only adding just a little air into it, even though we don't want to really, that's not our goal, is to add air into the cream cheese. We're trying to lighten it. So the granules of that sugar will mash into that cream cheese and actually lighten it. So this is your tool of choice. You don't want your whip attachment, the thing that looks like a whisk. You don't want that. You don't want to add air into your cheesecake. So you want to use your paddle, and you want to stop your bowl once you start mixing your cheesecake and your sugar. You want to let that go for a while, all right, on medium-high speed until it's light and fluffy. And then you'll start adding eggs, all right? Eggs, sometimes eggs and yolks. It depends. You want to add them one at a time, slowly. And then you want to stop your machine. Don't say, OMG, I have to get this cheesecake in the oven so fast. Stop. Get a rubber spatula. Scrape down the sides of your electric mixing bowl. It is so important. And then start the machine up again. If you don't do that, you are not going to have the smoothest cheesecake. I even take my paddle, use my finger after you stop your machine, leave it on, all right? And then just push around all the little nooks and crannies of your paddle and get that cream cheese mixture off so that you will always have the smoothest cheesecake ever. I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Until next time.